Chinese Air Force video shows rare close-up shots of the side and bottom of J-20 fighters' fuselage. Quite a few openings and doors with stealthy design can be observed. The size of weapon bay doors are again demonstrated. Another piece of information of the J-20 is that the 10th Brigade of this most advanced Chinese fighter jet has been established. It is the 131st Brigade named the Big Red Eagle Brigade. This famous unit begins its transition with J-20. In addition, some time ago, J-20 test turbofan 15 engine photos have been repeatedly circulated on the internet. With 10 brigades deployed, many military observers believe that the first model of the J-20, the J-20A, has reached its peak. The next model, the J-20B with major upgrades, will start mass production this year. Although these brigades are not completely moved to solely fly the J-20, but it is better to have more units and pilots exposed to the stealth jet than focusing on building pure J-20 units. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, share and comment.